In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create articles in Zendesk. Let's jump right in by discussing what you need to do to get started in the Zendesk Agent workspace. Begin by directing your attention to the left sidebar, where you will find an icon labeled Knowledge. By clicking on this, you'll be transported to an essential area known as the article dashboard. Here, all your management tasks will take place. Once you're in the article dashboard, look to the top right corner for a button marked with a plus sign and the word Add Article. Clicking this will open up the new article editor. Depending on your current workspace configuration, this may appear as a side panel or in a dedicated new page. This is where the creation part truly begins. At this stage, you'll be prompted to fill out the content of your article. Start with an engaging and descriptive title. This is what your users will first see. Then, in the body section, you'll find a rich text editor that provides various formatting tools. These tools allow you to enhance your article with headings, bullet points, images, and even tables to ensure clarity and engagement. If you're more inclined to delve into coding, you can also paste HTML or Markdown as needed by toggling the editor settings. Don't forget to add some relevant labels or keywords. Though optional, they're highly recommended for boosting the searchability of your content, making it easier for users to find what they need. With your content prepared, it's time to consider where this article will live in your help center. Choose a suitable category and section to accurately represent its place within your content structure. Then, decide on who should have access to this article by setting its visibility. You have several options: making it accessible to everyone publicly, restricting it to signed-in users only, or perhaps even showing it exclusively to agents. For those using custom user segments, you can choose that option as well. Next, we'll focus on authorship and permissions. By default, you'll be listed as the author of the article, but you can easily transfer this responsibility to another team member if necessary. Decide which group or role within your organization should have the rights to manage edits to this content. This ensures that the information remains up-to-date and accurate over time. Once everything is in place, you're ready for the final decision. Do you want to save this as a draft for later review or publish it right away? If you're not quite ready to go live, saving as a draft gives you the flexibility to return and polish your content. When you're ready to share it with your audience, choose to publish. If your workspace allows, you might also have the option to schedule publication for a specific date or time in the future, giving you complete control over when your article reaches its readers. And that's it. You've successfully created an article in Zendesk. With these steps, you can confidently manage your knowledge base and empower your users with valuable information. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.